In this video, we are going to see how we can buy and upgrade the Adobe Firefly free package to the standard package. That's very simple to do. If you are already signed in or signed up to Adobe Firefly account, you must have the profile account created right here. If not, you can check out the previous video in order to create this account. And once you are in here, you get the option of upgrade on the top right. Just click here and it says $9.99. If you switch to annual prepaid, you save something, but it's enough to explore and understand the full functionality on a monthly subscription. So I recommend you to buy this. Click on buy now and let's use the card information. And once you continue after that, you will notice that it will deduct the amount from your application, whatever you are using. Now I prefer to use any card or bank account that's extra, that should be used only for the online transactions, or basically I'm using the virtual card that is offered by many applications. So I have subscribed to that. So I've already done that and bought my subscription. So let's click on the top right corner and we have this profile icon, and you can see that my package is upgraded to 2000 credits in the premium features. So that's how you can buy and upgrade your Adobe Firefly subscription to the standard package. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.